You're welcome to another video of the course Yang-based network automation using netconf, resconf, and gnmi. In the previous section, we have used pygnmi, Python gnmi client to get the configuration of network devices. In this section, we will use pygnmi to change and delete the configuration and also subscribe to any data in Yang data model so it can be streamed to the subscriber intervally or whenever changes. As we have discussed in the previous section, we use nonlinear library beside gnmi client Python library to use inventory. Advantage of the nonlinear library: nonlinear inventory files and config file are already discussed and prepared in the previous section, and in this section we will use them for the demonstration of pygnmi set, delete, and subscribe command. Just to review, cat default and groups and host, the IP address of the device, the port number of the gnmi, and the group, user and password, and platform EOS, and finally the nonlinear config file in which we introduce the inventory files and also activate multi-threading. This is the script to change the description of the interface. The examples and payload to change the description of the interface is already taken from Arista Network GitHub community. This is the script: Arista Network, open management, and source pygnmi, and the update Python script. And this is the script that I've used also in my script. The only change that I have made is to combine this script with nonlinear capability. In the header of the script, nonlinear and gnmi clients are imported. A client object is created for each device from gnmi client task and inventory information taken from inventory files. The set command is used to change the configuration. The payload of the new configuration is uploaded through the update parameter. The payload itself is stored in the variable u, which changes the description of Ethernet 1 interface Ethernet 1, and this is the path which has to be changed, and the description test is already configured in the payload. The function is then run through the nonlinear nr variable, which is a nonlinear object initialized in the beginning of the script. Now let's run the script to see the result of the script. Python 3 and 14.5, and it is expected that the description of the interface is changed. Just to check, show running config, interface Ethernet 1, interface Ethernet 1, no description. Again, show running config, no description. I will run the script again, and it is expected that the description will be added to the interface Ethernet 1. And the second script, in the second script we will delete the description of the interface that we have configured in the script 14.6 gnmi delete. Let's check inside the script. For deleting the configuration, we use still the set command. The only difference is that we use delete parameter instead of the update parameter. The path to the description in the Yang data model is specified in the delete parameter. The path to the description section in Yang data model is configured inside path1 variable. Then the function to delete the description is executed through nonlinear object initialized in the beginning of the script with calling the function, and also the path1, which is the path of the interface description. Now let's run the script 14.6, and we expect that the description will be deleted from the interface. And finally, as the last script in gnmi protocol, we use the most important gnmi command, which is the subscribe command. With subscribe command, any user on application can subscribe itself to any data in the Yang data model. Then the data will be streamed to the subscriber intervally or whenever changes. Two examples are prepared for the subscribe command. The mode as a stream mode and encoding type as JSON is configured in these two examples. In the first example is to subscribe to Ethernet 1 interface incoming statistics to be streamed every 10 seconds. The mode is sample, and every 10 seconds the statistics of the incoming statistics of Ethernet 1 interface will be streamed to the subscriber. In the second example is to stream the interface Ethernet 1 status whenever it changes, since the mode is configured as unchanged. To see also the changes of the interface status, will be manually disable and enable the interface to see the result. Now let's run the script Python 3 and script. Every 10 seconds the statistics of the interface Ethernet 1 incoming bytes or packets will be displayed in the output, as you can see here. But interface status is up and it will not be streamed anymore since the status is not changed. As you can see, every 10 seconds the incoming statistics of the interface Ethernet 1 will be streamed and no changes in the interface Ethernet 1. But to make sure that the status of the interface is streamed to the subscriber, we change the interface status manually to shutdown, and again no shutdown. And if you check, once down and again up is streamed to the subscriber.